Hey everybody, it's Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and today we're going to do part 1 of a 2-part series on the new ham radio tower. Here is the hole. That thing's about it's about 9 feet deep. That rebar, I think, is 3 feet in diameter. And that is leveled up, and we're going to pour concrete in a couple days, so that's going to be the base for the tower. Hey everybody, Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and just wanted to show the concrete went in the ground today. It's pretty rough, but you know, I'm not a concrete guy. I didn't care what it really looked like. I got to take the boards out here, but it's plumbed up. It's got 15 yards, 15 yards of concrete in the ground, 9 feet deep, and it's not going anywhere. So that's what it looks like. That's the portion of the dirt that came out of there in rocks. So that's day number 2 of the Heights Tower. Tomorrow we're going to put that on. We're not going to get too crazy until the concrete cures for 10 days. We are going to put these on tomorrow. Got some little crevices down here that go on, and we're going to put that, and this is where the motor will be, and then it's going to tilt that way. So here's all the pieces on the ground. Hey everybody, it's Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads. Here's the day 3, I guess, of the tower. This is a Heights Tower, 54 footer. It'll be 61 feet with the mast. Got the bottom piece on today, so the motor will be right here with the actuator, and then it's going to hinge on these two, and it's going to go lay down that way over in that area there where it slopes. Just got it bolted up today and everything tight on the bottom. I'm not going to do any more until the concrete cures, so I'm not supposed to put a lot of weight on it, but I didn't think this would be a big deal. So anyway, that's the mound of dirt that's left from the hole. I got about half of it spread out, and got some stuff put back in around the base. So anyway, just wanted to show everybody the progress. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but just testing out the motor, and I think it takes 10 or 11 minutes to tilt all the way down, so I'm not going to bore you with all that. But day number 4, got the top section on, got the motor attached. Everything seems to be working like it needs to, so I'm going to put it down at an angle and then start putting the pieces on. Hey everybody, it's Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and day 5 of the tower build. So got it cranked over. We got that piece put on late last night. Didn't take a video, it was getting dark. So we have, counting the base, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces on, and getting ready to put that piece on right there. And then I've already bolted those two together, so technically we got 3 more pieces, but only 3 sections and 2 pieces, let's put it that way. So anyway, that's what's going on. Once we get that on, we'll be able to crank her up. And I'm still waiting for my Mosley parts, but we're going to put the 75 meter up, which is dangling right there in the tree, 20 feet off the ground. It's just temporary, although I've been getting good signal reports local. I haven't tried anything long distance, but it basically connects up. I got it connected there. The short end comes down here. You probably can't see it in the camera. There's the bowline, and I got 100. The long end, I cut it. I can't remember what it is, but it goes all the way over to my shop over there. So anyway, that's going to go up on it until I get the beam rebuilt. So I know a lot of people got some interest in this tower. If anybody's got any questions, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. This is Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and we're putting up the 75 meter, just temporary, so we get some more pieces. First time up. Little tester with 75 meters. Hey everybody, it's Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads in Riley. And Rusty's down there. And I are taking a walk out to the new tower. Wanted to show you guys the progress that we've made on it. So we're still pounding in fence posts, ground rods. Got 3 of them. One's almost in. This one's hit a rock, so I'm having an issue with it. But I got the row, I didn't take a video of it, but at the very top up there, I got the mast and rotator, and I've got the coax down here. This mumbled mess here is just temporary. And then I've got the box. I had this box from a project got given to me, and I'll open it up here and show you what I've done. So got some alpha omega lightning arresters in there. In the back of that I have a strap that comes down and around over to here to the grounding plug. I've got that tinned, and then I have this coming out at the bottom and over to right there, and then ultimately I'll tie all 3 of those together, and then each one of those will go out to the grounding rod. So that's the new box for the tower, and the coax and rotator cables are all zip tied up. I didn't cut those. I have to do that. So waiting on some parts from Mosley for the antenna. For the reconstruction, let's call it. So just did that to protect the coax going down into the ground, and then you can kind of see it's all tore up here. I connected it. I think I showed that in the last video. My other tower was over there, and I pulled that coax out of the ground right here and then dug it over to there. So that's what's going on with the tower today, but I think it's turning out pretty good. Right at the top there you can see is an off-center dipole with the ballon hanging down and the isolator, and that's actually 160 meter through 20, so I don't use it for anything other than 75 meters, but that's what's up there so far. Anyway, hope everybody's doing well. Have a good week. Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads.